All right, so I'm going to draw just a rough sketch of a plan in real time and throw on the foundation for Adam's sake. I'm going to just kind of draw first floor plan. It really doesn't matter, right? What the shape is. Do it like this. And I'm going to this. Say this is the garage, and we're going to go 12. Hit Control F, that builds my foundation. I'm going to use a 8-inch concrete stem wall. Do a new stem wall. And I'm going to say 48, just for giggles. Stem wall, garage floor to top, minimum garage height. I also want 48 plus 12 minus 12, so let's say 48. So that goes deep enough. Click OK. You could do options here. You could put your footing and information there, right? Use mesh, foam seal, termite flashing. That's all. This is all for materials list purposes. Grade beyond piers, monolithic slab, etc. I'm doing a stem wall with let's do a full wall, full basement, and a 48-inch stem wall for the garage. Derive new foundation plan from the first floor plan. There's my foundation. You'll notice if we go into the garage, it has room supplies floor for room above, under structure, ceiling. So my floor's at minus 12. I want floor to stem wall at 12. So that's going to make that at minus 12. Ceiling is going to be 0 then, minus 12. Sometimes it's confusing to figure out these numbers, but using the diagram on the right will help us out a lot. That's where I want it to be. Click OK. Let's see our perspective floor overview. There's my slab. I go up to first floor here. I still see the slab. I see the floor on first floor, right? So if you're seeing something other than this, then possibly something's going on with your template that shouldn't be set up. I've been recording now for, it doesn't tell me how long, and I didn't look at the clock, so pretty simple. It can be simple. All right, hope that helps. Take care.